Hello and welcome to another brand new course by TechLatest.net on SaltStack DevOps automation powered by Semaphore UI. We have started this course and we'll deep dive into course like what is exactly SaltStack, and we got a lot of things. Like if you check the agenda of the course, so basically we cover introduction to SaltStack, key features of SaltStack, then benefits of SaltStack for DevOps, benefits of using SaltStack TechLatest VM, reasons to choose TechLatest SaltStack VM, then SaltStack key concepts, setting up SaltStack on AWS, GCP, and Azure, then overview of Semaphore UI, and what is Semaphore UI, then streamlining SaltStack deployment, then configuring SaltStack with Semaphore UI, configuring Semaphore UI for executing SaltStack templates, and executing SaltStack templates on a single VM and multiple VM. So basically, this is the agenda, and these all are the things which we'll cover in this course. Okay, if you check the slides of the course, so here you can see this introduction to SaltStack, then key features of SaltStack, then benefits of SaltStack for DevOps, and then benefits of using TechLatest SaltStack VM. Then reasons to choose SaltStack VM. Here you can see the effortless deployment, seamless integration, ready to use environment, then initiative GUI, and then SaltStack key concepts, remote execution, master minion model, configuration management, parallel execution. Then setting up SaltStack on AWS. As usual, we will provide all like SaltStack VM on all the three cloud platforms, including AWS, GCP, Azure, and then GCP, then Azure, then overview of Semaphore UI, and then Semaphore UI streamlining SaltStack deployment, then configuring SaltStack with Semaphore UI, configuring Semaphore UI for executing SaltStack templates, then executing SaltStack templates on a single VM and multiple VM. So these all are things which we'll cover in this course. And apart from this, you can also check the Salt's website, which is saltproject.io. And if you check the techlatest.net website, if you click on product and support page, here you can first search about the SaltStack product. So here you can see the SaltStack DevOps automation powered by Semaphore UI. So here you can see the overview of the VM and about the product. So this is the use cases, features, and then here you can see the step-by-step guides, basically on GCP, AWS, Azure. Then here you can see the online tutorials page and other things we'll be releasing very soon. A course on this SaltStack product, and then configuring SaltStack. Here you can see the configuring SaltStack steps. So we'll have a separate lecture on this thing also. Okay. Then here you can see the user guide. Then here you can find about all the links. We'll also provide this PPT in the course. Okay, so that's all about this overview lecture, basically about the project, product, and then the course. So bye bye. We will meet in next video.